This is another show-ready moment from AV Chicago. Is your event backed up? Today's events, whether virtual, hybrid, or completely in person, rely on sound internet connections. Prior to events going virtual, if a venue's internet connection went down, it was more of an annoyance than it was a showstopper. Today, however, that internet connection is how our virtual attendees connect to the event, it's how remote presenters join the event, it's also how our attendees engage with the event. Here are a few of the ways your AV provider can ensure your internet connection enhances your event and not detracts. First, bring your AV provider into the conversation early. They can help identify what infrastructure exists in the venue and if it will support the needs of the event. Second, no internet connection is perfect. Ask your AV provider about what their backup system is. They should have a system like a business-grade, cellular failover that protects all mission-critical systems. Lastly, ensure that they are regularly testing the internet connection, not just before the event, but up and through the event. By taking some simple actions early, you can ensure your event stays connected. Thank you for joining us for another Show Ready Moment.